Hello guys, welcome back to the shed. So today I'm going to replace one of the license plate lights that are not working. So let me check which one. Okay, so this one is not working properly, as you can see. Yeah, I guess these are you can see. Cozy one. Okay. I'm not sure how this is supposed to work like this. This is broken. So the car was rear-ended a couple of months ago, and it went for repair. As you can see, great job, right? Now, is this actually working or not? Because I'm not sure. Yeah, so this is not working anyway, so. Okay, so there's a Stanley part for on the right, but I think it's just W5W. Okay, it's working. When the car was rear-ended, this was done. The fix was done by the insurance company, right? So money shouldn't be a problem, right? Probably this was charged as being changed, and it was not. Just see if it stays. Yeah, seems fine. Okay guys, so here we are a couple of weeks later. I'm not sure how many days have passed, but I just bought new number plate light from the new not new, from it was from the junkyard. I think it is the same. Yeah, so it even comes with the with a bulb. So maybe I just need to remove the other one and plug this one. Let's see. Okay, now let me check if everything's okay. Okay, both lights working, everything's fine.